Let's double check just the local updates for VeChain. A lot of people claim that VeChain is totally dead token and will never recover back. But guys, any token just a pure speculation. You can open the chart of Polkadot and compare the charts. Absolutely identical picture, and Polkadot on the $2, VeChain going to nowhere, and of course, only now we landed back to 18 level by FIB. The analysis of what I posted around here, I explain it. So this zone usually can be like an accumulation block, and that time we didn't test 18 level by FIB, and it was kind of bad signal. The same story for Matic, Paul, and after here we formed the low June 23. We didn't drop, didn't test it. It was a bad signal. We bounce it and go higher, but believe it or not, now we sit exactly at 1 cent 11, and it's kind of bad because this zone is kind of wide, and we can drop even under the COVID dump low. So let's mark the COVID dump low, and it's possible. It's possible because, for example, the algorithm already swept the low of COVID dump, this one. So maybe the VeChain will do the same. We can't know. We can't. Globally, of course, now the sentiment on the market is so bearish. Everybody waiting the next 2 years, the bear market. But guys, a market always move up and down, up and down. So if we're going to hold the line now here, and if we will see some bounces on alts because of BTC dominance, we can go down under 55% or even 50% because everybody now waiting the BTC dominance will pump again over than 60%. I don't think so. We will bounce again to over than 61 because we already did it. So I think we will rebound at least to the test of yearly opening. So in zone 26, we will come back and test the yearly opening of zone 25. So this 4.33, it can be like a magnet. Also, it's around the take profit line 3.70, exit line is 4.17. Is it possible so the VeChain will go to hell, to the price discovery zone? Yes, of course. We can't know. Maybe tomorrow the Binance will delist this token. We can't know. Maybe some exchanges will list it, right? And we will see the new money inflow. The also possible case scenario, guys, if, for example, this is left shoulder, this is a hat, maybe we'll form the right shoulder around 5 cents. It's going to be the end of cycle for this token and we're going down. Maybe. We can't know. We can't know for sure, guys. But at least now, only now, it's more than okay to start accumulate this token. Of course, I'm in VeChain, and maybe it's my mistake also for the spot position. I explained it. So this time the traders win because everybody who traded during the last 3 years made more money, I guess, if they trade with proper money management and the risk management, the strategy with indicators. They made more money than the people who just play in investors, right? Because like investors, we just froze the money, and it's kind of big problem. So on the monthly time frame, finally we can start see the data from take profit indicator, and it's showing us. So on the monthly time frame, we so underrated. Like 1 cent 57, it's a fundamental value of this token. Take profit line, it's 4 cents 19. Exit line, it's 4 cents 73. So this is a targets. You can mark, add alerts. For example, let's add alerts to take profit on this one on the monthly time frame. The same story now around the take profit exit line. Around, so here by take profit line, it's exit line on the weekly. So the same way on a monthly. We're going down, right? So if we use the local FIB, the same story. So if we use the 27 block, here, 1. So this is a drop, support, consolidation, test 18 level by FIB. Let's hide, take profit. Here, impulse, find a support, find a support at 18 level by FIB, bounce, and come back inside 27 block, even under. So of course, can we drop lower? Yes, it's possible, guys. But anyway, we can work only with some own analysis, an own idea. Nobody knows the future. So now, logically, if this token will be still exist on centralized exchanges, I hope we'll found a bottom, found the local bottom at least for I don't know, for middle term. Let's mark this like a red line. So this is the liquidity pool, what we'll leave it in November 2020. I hope we're gonna hold the line and not drop it down under this level. I think we'll drop under this level, but in the next bear market. So I guess in 27, 28. Got it. So locally, if we talk about a local time frames, we go into the monthly here. A yearly open and the monthly gap fulfill like 4 cents, it will be like a magnet. With this sweep or without, I think we'll recover back at least to 4 cents here. When? Have no idea, maybe spring. So 1K level of support, 0.2089, and the capitulation. Capitulation on the COVID dump low. Got it. So technically, of course, we got like impulse, some correction, impulse, correction, impulse, and we could see the correction at least to yearly open. So it's going to be the 50% of this downtrend. Let's double check, guys, with indicator set. ADZ direction. ADZ direction. This one. We're in accumulation. So this is accumulation. Let's add another ADZ. This one. New version. This one. So this is accumulation. This was distribution. This is accumulation on the weekly, on the Binance. Daily, yes, we're in accumulation, but yes, of course, we can form the lower low because it's going to be the divergence. So divergence on daily, for example, it can be this type of divergence. We already formed this type of divergence, but it can be even lower. To the November 2020 low. Sweep and go higher. It's kind of bad scenario, but it's possible. I hope we're ready for the low. Some accumulation on direction indicator. It's good. It's good. Let's double check, guys, the market mood. Market mood, it's capitulation. Weekly, it's capitulation. Monthly, capitulation. Of course, now nobody want to buy the VeChain. I don't want to buy also, right, for the spot position. But if you're new here and you want to speculate any token, sweep of the November 2020 can be the good entry for rebounds. Also, idea 100% profit. You withdraw initial deposit and wait. With the free tokens, you can write to 4 cents. So logical is, for example, if we just sweep it, 400% on the spot. More than real to see like a yearly open. I don't think so. The VeChain will hit the new all-time high, right? But at least locally we can expect some bounces. Daily sell Joule, take profit, buy, bounce, recommendation, close position. Now no new signal to buy. Let's add alert to buy, trade on, buy. On the daily, weekly, sell. Let's add alert to trade on, buy back. Triangles up. At least triangles up. Like it was here. Sell. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So I'm waiting the fourth. Would be good to see. And the last one indicator is money power, guys. Some money inflow was here in October, but it won't help. Monthly. Wow. Only now in December 2025, we see some money inflow. This is a great example once again for the next cycle, because this is the first cycle when I use my indicator set, just to wait. So don't touch the token. Just don't click too much, right? Buy or sell, just wait. And wait the logical reasons, So here only now, imagine all this period, it was just a noise. And only now, some money inflow into VeChain and the Binance. Here was a pure money outflow, 1, 2, 3 months in a row during the upside move, money outflow. Now, only now it's money inflow. Maybe we'll see some 1, 2, 3 months money inflow. After that, we'll rebound to the 10 cents and finish the cycle. So at least I'm waiting. So we're going to sweep the 8 cents again. So it's going to be a good bounce. Locally, daily, so crash, it's a drop, sweep the November 2020 low, but technically some money inflow was like September, October November. Fun. Maybe some big guy accumulates step by step every single month. Need to double check on Arkham. And now nothing. Need to wait the second. Fun fact, but by end of the month, someone accumulate by end of the month. Strange. All right, guys. I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what is your thoughts about VeChain. My conclusion is I'm weighted there. VeChain over than 10 cents. Maybe the 10 cents going to be the top of the top for this cycle. And lowest point is here. And I wait some rebounds at least to the 4 cents. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you would like to trade with my customer, because I was showing this video, write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.